Hey guys, it's Orb, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to set up a verification system with MEE6 on Discord. So without further ado, let's get started. So there are three things we are going to need. A verification channel, so let's make that. Verification. A role that they get for verifying in the verification channel, so let's just name this verified. This is the role that they will receive. There we go. Okay, and now we just need to make sure the MEE6 bot is in our server. I will leave a link in the description if it is not already. And once we have all this stuff, we can go to the MEE6 dashboard. I will leave a link in the description for that as well, and also with my Discord server if you guys would like to check it out. So once we are at the MEE6 dashboard, okay, here we go. We're going to want to click on our server and then go to the reaction roles tab and hit new reaction role. And then we're going to want to hit our verification channel message. I'm going to react to this message to get verified. There we go. And then add reaction, I'm just going to do a check mark. And then you want to enter your verify role that they get for verifying. There we go. And then you can hit save and close. We go back to our server, react to this message to get verified, check mark, and they received the verified role. If this video helped you guys out, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment letting me know what other videos you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.